Crackly top, fudgy center, one bite and it's over. Today, we're making ultra fudgy brownies, rich, gooey, and dangerously addictive. Just a little history, brownies were born in the United States in the late 19th century, when a baker forgot to add baking powder to a chocolate cake, ending up with a denser, fudgier dessert. Over time, brownies evolved into different styles, cakey, chewy, and the super rich fudge brownie. And for today's recipe, we're gonna make fudge brownies, our favorite kind. It's super simple and easy to make that it's even one of the most baked desserts in American home kitchens. It can be customized with endless toppings like nuts, chocolate chips, sea salt, mallows, etc. It's a perfect chocolate dessert that your family and friends would surely love. So hurry up, save this recipe, and try making it at home. Enjoy!